kitchen tools to prepare my family a great meal every day. That's why I use the Joe Chef Professional Kitchen Torch. Don't let its name intimidate you. This torch is easy to use, even with one hand. The Professional Kitchen Torch can be used for a variety of dishes: grilled vegetables, searing steak and fish, melting cheeses and chocolates. And for expert home chefs, you can even use the Professional Kitchen Torch for finishing off your delicious creme brulee. The torch includes an adjustable flame control and can reach up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. What I love about this torch is how versatile it can be. Don't stay confined to your kitchen. Take it with you on your family camping trips, a picnic in the park, or your next backyard barbecue. The Joe Chef Professional Kitchen Torch comes with an ebook full of tasty recipes, already packaged in a deluxe gift box. The kitchen torch is an enjoyable gift for all your loved ones and friends. If you're like me and worry about safety, the torch meets industry standards and features a safety lock. It also includes a viewfinder to let you know when you're running low on butane. With this kitchen torch, your culinary dreams are endless. Be the master chef of your own kitchen with Joe Chef's Professional Kitchen Torch.